Welcome to our channel. Hope you are good. Today's topic: best way to live your life. Living a fulfilling life is a journey that is unique to each person. While there is no one-size-fits-all formula for living a meaningful life, there are certain principles that can guide us towards a more fulfilling existence. In this essay, I will explore some of these principles, drawing from philosophy, psychology, and personal experience. 1. Know yourself. The first step towards living a fulfilling life is to know yourself. This means understanding your values, passions, strengths, and weaknesses. Self-awareness allows you to make informed decisions about your life and career path. You are more likely to find meaning and satisfaction in life if you are aligned with your values and passions. Knowing your strengths and weaknesses can also help you choose a career that is a good fit for you. 2. Cultivate positive relationships. Humans are social creatures, and our relationships with others play a significant role in our happiness and well-being. Cultivating positive relationships means investing time and effort into building strong connections with others. This can include family, friends, colleagues, and romantic partners. Positive relationships are built on trust, empathy, and mutual respect. They provide a sense of belonging and support during difficult times. 3. Embrace change. Life is full of uncertainties, and change is a constant part of it. Embracing change means being adaptable and flexible in the face of challenges. It means seeing change as an opportunity for growth and learning. Instead of resisting change, embrace it and look for ways to make the most of it. This could mean learning a new skill, trying a new hobby, or taking on a new challenge. 4. Set goals. Setting goals is an essential part of living a fulfilling life. Goals provide direction and motivation, giving us a sense of purpose and meaning. Goals can be short-term or long-term, and they can be personal or professional. When setting goals, it is important to make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will increase your chances of success and help you track your progress along the way. 5. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is the practice of being thankful for the good things in our lives. It is a powerful tool for increasing happiness and well-being. Practicing gratitude means focusing on the positive aspects of life and being mindful of the things we often take for granted. This could be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to write down 3 things you are grateful for. Gratitude can also be expressed through acts of kindness and generosity towards others. 6. Take care of your health. Our physical and mental health play a significant role in our overall well-being. Taking care of our health means making healthy choices when it comes to diet, exercise, sleep, and stress management. It also means seeking help when we need it and prioritizing self-care. This could involve practicing mindfulness, taking breaks from work, or seeking professional help when necessary. 7. Give back. Giving back to others is an essential part of living a fulfilling life. It provides a sense of purpose and meaning, and it can also improve our mental health and well-being. Giving back can take many forms, including volunteering, donating to charity, or simply being kind to others. It is an opportunity to make a positive impact on the world around us and to connect with others who share our values. In conclusion, living a fulfilling life is a journey that requires self-awareness, positive relationships, adaptability, goal setting, gratitude, self-care, and giving back. By embracing these principles, we can create a life that is aligned with our values and passions, and that provides us with a sense of purpose and meaning.